These are the silly mistakes you're doing as a Uber Eats or Uber passenger driver, and you're losing thousands of dollars every year. And the last one is significant, and that's going to cost you hefty fine, or you're going to lose thousands on your during tax season. The number one is not tracking your mileage. So every driver, it's your own responsibility to track your own kilometers. Let's not rely on what Uber sends you on every end of the month. So that's only gives you a statement of from the during the journey that you have done. Let's say you went on a 10-kilometer out of city travel, and when you're coming back you don't have any orders, so that means you're coming back it for free. So if you did not track those the orders and those mileage, you'll not be able to claim during your tax season. And with that saying, you're going to lose at least $10,000 on every year. The number two is not maintaining or not tracking your expenses. So this is huge. Like us as a Uber Eats or a Uber driver, our car is our office, and our internet bill and our telephone bill, any appliances that we purchase for upgrading the delivery or enhancing the driving experience, whichever it is. So if you're not maintaining those receipts, or you'll not be able to claim those expenses at all. So here I'm not talking about the huge money, but even though it's for an $100 bill, that's going to help you a lot. So it's very important to keep your expenses on track. And number three, this is significant. I have seen multiple drivers has got hit with the hefty penalties by the government. So let's say if you're making more than $30,000 a year from Uber Eats or Uber passenger, it is your responsibility to get a tax registration number. So let's not link up with your social insurance number or social security number. So you have to have your separate tax registration number for your GST, HST, and depends on your local authorities, the tax system. If you're not filing those on quarterly basis, you're going to hit with the hefty penalty, or you're going to hit with a hefty amount during the end of the year. So it is your responsibility to collect those tax. And if you're doing Uber riders, Uber passengers, this is very important for you guys. So if you're not collecting those and then you're not filing it, you will be hit with the hefty penalties. And one-time significant amount, it could be a big challenge for anyone to pay it. And if you don't pay it on time, you will be hit with the interest as well. So instead of getting into those hustle and bustles, so it's very important, in the beginning stage, make sure that you have registered your tax number, and so you can avoid these kind of mistakes. And that's why I request all of you to join and subscribe to YouTube channel for 2% growth. And then, I'll be able to share more ideas and to grow together. So we will grow 2% all together. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.